Hello, this is another solar power system project for Caribbean supermarket. Right now, our engineer is doing the after-sales visiting for this solar system. For this solar system, it used a total 108 pieces of 620-watt solar panels. It used a total 5 pieces of 12 kilowatt hybrid inverter, and then there are total 8 pieces of 50 kilowatt-hour lithium battery here. Even after the Hurricane Melissa, this solar system still working very well after the hurricane and help the client save a lot of electricity bill.